I'm Ed Ngoran from Chocolatique, and I am the Chocolate Doctor. Have you ever wondered how something so ugly as this, and these are cacao beans, turn out to be a beautiful piece of chocolate? Well, I'm going to tell you how to do that right now. We're going to start with a beautiful, domed, polycarbonate truffle mold tray. And these can be found either online or you can find them in hobby stores. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get some tempered chocolate, and you're going to actually fill the mold with tempered chocolate. You're going to have to scrape the top, and then you're going to have to empty the chocolate out so that you create a beautiful shell that looks just like this. Okay? Now you're ready to fill your truffles. We're going to use a chocolate pudding truffle filling today, or a chocolate center. And I like to use these disposable bags. I don't like to use the linen bags because they're too hard to keep clean and they kind of pick up a little bit of the smell. So just use this as you would a regular pastry bag, and then you're going to fill the truffle molds, just like this. Almost up to the top, but not quite, because we still have to put a layer of chocolate in there. Get a little over, you just take your finger and clean it off. And you're going to do an entire tray, and then you're just going to close it. Now after you close it, you're going to wind up, as I showed you in the beginning, with an absolutely beautiful, molded, shiny chocolate truffle. I'm Ed Ngoran. I am the Chocolate Doctor. Take 2 truffles and call me in the morning. They're so good.